Media mogul Given Mkhari has launched a blistering verbal attack against veteran television host JJ Tabane, labeling him a thief, a boy, and a fool in a heated exchange on a WhatsApp group titled Open Politics. Mkhari, who owns Power FM and Capricorn FM, accused Tabane of instigating online bullying against his daughters and criticized him for his commentary on Mkhari's past legal troubles. In a series of messages, Mkhari claimed that he and his wife Ipeleng had built their careers through hard work, raising three hardworking, respectful, and loving queens who have endured bullying allegedly fueled by JJ Tabane. Despite the opportunist obsession of haters like JJ Tabane, our queens continue to thrive. What was supposed to shame them at school propelled them, despite years of online bullying sponsored by a thief called JJ Tabane. Our Shangaan queens refused to be distracted, he wrote. Mkhari also took issue with Tabane's past remarks regarding his 2018 arrest for domestic violence, after both he and his wife opened assault charges against each other. The National Prosecuting Authority dropped the case when his wife withdrew her complaint and said our family knows exactly what happened in July 2018. If anybody cares, they must go to Randburg Police Station and get the statements from Mrs. Mkhari and I, accusing Tabane of engaging in unearned gender activism. Escalating feud, Mkhari further ridiculed Tabane, urging him to capitalize on their feud for personal gain, and said, JJ, there are many podcasts waiting for you to enjoy a moment of fame. Do it, boy. We must nationalize some people's gadgets, data, cameras, and microphones. Accusing Tabane of obsessing over his life, Mkhari continued, the audacity to pronounce and police people's private lives is an illness. Time has a way of dealing with such sick people. I have first-hand experience of a boy in this group who has dedicated more than 6 years of his life to attacking me instead of fixing his pathetic life. He concluded his trade with a cryptic warning, don't play with a snake. When the Sunday World publication approached Tabane for comment, Tabane said, I chose not to comment because I'm busy with courts to deal with this matter. The feud between these two media heavyweights appears far from over, with legal proceedings possibly looming on the horizon. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.